Hello, everybody. I'm here to talk to you about the article Canadian Community Mental Health Workers Perceived Priorities for Supportive Housing Services in Northern and Rural Contexts. The purpose of this paper was to describe community mental health workers' perceived priorities for housing and supportive services within northern and rural contexts. Though the link between mental health issues and supportive housing has been established, the needs of those with severe mental health issues continue to pose challenges. Furthermore, the focus of most studies on this topic tend to be focused on urban centers. The study was based upon 39 statements about supportive housing services developed from a mixed methods parent study sorted by 58 service providers working in 4 communities in Northern Ontario, Canada. Data used in the study were collected in 2010. The results yielded 4 discrete viewpoints about priorities for delivery of supportive housing systems, including a functional system, service efficiency, individual services, and promotion of social inclusion. So just to go over the viewpoints, the functional system was held by 18 of the service workers, accessible, flexible service workers, as well as responsive and enforceable policy pertaining to housing standards were endorsed as key features of the functional system. Least priority was placed on social opportunities, personal possessions, and connectedness to the natural environment in servicing individuals with mental health problems. And service efficiency, which was held by 5 service workers, perceived that it is most important to guide individuals with mental health problems to services within health and social systems to fulfill their immediate needs. Lesser priority was attributed to the quality of the individual's home environment. Individualized services held by 9 service workers involved knowing a client's need is of the highest importance. If services are individualized and appropriately navigated by an accessible worker, proximity to services and the complexity of the system are of lesser importance. Promotion of social inclusion was held by 13 service workers. Beyond the provision of basic human needs, these service workers identified the importance of ensuring that individuals had opportunities for involvement. The 3 lowest ranked statements within this viewpoint pertain to addressing the needs more specific to service workers and family caregivers. So in conclusion, this study provided an opportunity for service providers to prioritize housing and support service needs within their specific northern and rural practice context. In conclusion, northern and rural workers prioritized the need for ongoing development and maintenance of safe and accessible supportive housing stock. For a more functional system, this may entail streamlining eligibility criteria and coordinating bureaucracies between stakeholder ministries, investment of resources into local housing authorities, and better coordination of services between community workers for individualized service. There is an urgent need for adequate economic resources and timely access to a range of housing services. In the ongoing development of more efficient and flexible supportive housing policy and service delivery systems, the expertise of supportive housing and service workers should be widely consulted. So let me know if there are any questions, and I can be reached at arahutchko329@my.nipissing.u.ca, and thank you for listening.